Welcome to Kuber Kushagra AI. We are actively developing an AI system designed to assist with stock trading decisions in the share market. Please note that this video is for educational purposes only and do not blindly follow these ideas. Rather, do your own research before following our decisions here. So, today we will review what has happened over the past week with the stock ideas that we had shared. One of the stock ideas that we had shared was CG Power and Industrial Solutions Limited. And what we can see is in a matter of few days, this stock has jumped by more than 6.5%, and it has already hit its upper circuit. So, but we should not be in a hurry to sell it off. Let's see how far it goes. But the moment it starts to dip, it might be a good idea to sell this stock. Another success that we had in this week was IGL. Again, IGL was recommended, and although it has not hit its target of 443, it has already made a profit of 2%. I hope this stock will continue to rise up, but the kind of pattern we are seeing here, the bands are getting narrower, and because the previous cycle it had gone down, there's a good possibility that the next cycle this stock will go up. The next one that we have, again, a very successful idea is that of rallies, and rallies grew by more than 5.5% in a matter of days. Again, like CG Power, this stock has taken a jump and has definitely surpassed its target. But it may not be a good idea to sell it right now. Let's see how much further it rises. But if it starts to fall, it might be a good idea to book profit. And another one that we saw was Aptus. Now, Aptus has fallen by 3.5%, and it is really close to its lower band. In fact, on Friday, this went below the lower band, jumped back up again um, slightly. So we should sell this if it goes back again in the lower band, because what we are seeing here is the stock is tending to decline. But let's see. Let's watch what happens. And we do not have any new recommendations for Monday, that is 4th of March. So that is all we have from Kuber Kushagra AI. And please do your own research before you take any decisions based on this trading ideas. Thank you.